trying to push shuttle from here and then having to catch it at the other end. And it's physically too hard. You're tired after you've done 5 minutes. So that's no good. So I simply said, we'll make the machine do the work. So you put on pistons to propel the shuttle across. You put on cylinders to raise the sheds. You put a little computer in to control everything and tell you what's going on. And then you move to...
You're Tim the Toolman Taylor.
No, I'm not. I'm a little
You
more...
are
I'm a little more complicated.
Weavers have gone in various different directions. Some of the weavers in the guild right now are learning to dye, to spin, to do all sorts of things. And Rob took the other end and said, I'm going to make the weaving itself more efficient.
I'm going to modernize the process.
Well, because they wanted to
and I'm going to raise the quality of the finished weave.
Yeah, well, now
that's probably the most important thing. If you do a tartan that has a repeat pattern, you cannot have mistakes. Otherwise, people will say, I'm not going to have that.
Yeah,
you know. So this machine is programmed, and it'll rattle along until you need a color change.
You know, it's still, he has to still sit here as a hand weaver, and he's still changing all the colors and watching what's happening.
But the actual...
But the computer controls what's going on. Well, I just push it to start.
Right. It's
very cool.